Hi guys, just an addition to the video that I posted, the rechargeable power banks. Just to let you know that both power banks can be recharged using electricity. So I have my electricity here. Just gonna demonstrate to you what it can do. So you plug it into the USB port and you will see it light up. But because this power bank is already charged, it will show full charge. Same thing over here with the 4-panel solar power bank. You can plug it into electricity and you will see the light going up and down. See, if you look, you will notice that it was, yeah, 3 4 3 4 3 4. So the fourth on this power bank is currently being charged using electricity. It was in the sun all day, but it wasn't fully charged with the sun, so I can easily well take it inside and finish charging it using electricity. So that is what is going on right now. It is being recharged on electricity. And I said in the video before, it takes approximately 5 hours for the 4-panel solar power bank to be fully recharged using electricity, and the single bulb will take you approximately 7 hours to be fully recharged using electricity. So guys, please subscribe to our channel, please like and share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you again in another video.